The angle between vectors. We can use the scalar product to work out the angle between vectors. A dot B equals magnitude of A, magnitude of B cos theta. So if you use this formula, just arrange it for cos theta. So on the right hand side we'd like cos theta, so we take A dot B and divide by the magnitudes, magnitude A, magnitude B. So you can always use this formula to work out the angle between two vectors. Also, we can use the component form of A dot B in here in the numerator. A1 B1 plus A2 B2 plus A3 B3. That's how we calculate the scalar product in component form. Then we divide by the magnitude of A and B. That equals cos theta. For example, we find the angle between A and B. A is 2, 4, 3, and B is 4, negative 3, 2. We can take it in stages and work out A dot B. A dot B is 2 times 4 plus 4 times negative 3 plus 3 times 2. This number is 8 subtract 12 add 6, which equals 2. Next stage, work out the magnitude of each vector. Magnitude of A is the square root of all the components squared. 2 squared plus 4 squared plus 3 squared. Step by step, working this out. 4, 16 and 9 is the square root of 29. You can just leave it as the square root of 29, no need to work out the decimal. Magnitude of B now, same process, square the components. 4 squared plus negative 3 squared plus 2 squared, which equals 16 plus 9 plus 4. So this is a coincidence, it's the same, square root 29. So both A and B are the same length. This is not always true. Putting it all together in the formula, cos theta is A dot B divided by magnitude A, magnitude B. A dot B we worked out is equal to 2. Magnitude of A is root 29, magnitude B is also root 29. Substitute these values in. So in this case, we can simplify the denominator to 29. 29. And take the inverse cos to find theta. Inverse cos of 2 over 29. So theta equals 86.0 degrees. That's how you find the angle. Another example is find the angle between A, which is 3i, subtract 4j plus k, and B, negative 2i plus 5j plus 2k. A in component form is 3, negative 4, 1, and B is negative 2, 5, 2. A dot B, we multiply the x coordinates, 3 times negative 2, or the x components, plus negative 4 times 5, that's the y components, and the z components, 1 times 2. Work this out carefully. Negative 6 subtract 20, add 2 is negative 24. Now, magnitude of A is the square root of 3 squared plus negative 4 squared plus 1 squared. So that's the square root of 9 plus 16 plus 1. Square root 26. Root 26. Magnitude of vector b, negative 2 squared plus 5 squared plus 2 squared, is the square root of 4 plus 25 plus 4. That is the square root of 33. Putting it all together with the formula, cos theta equals A dot B over magnitude A magnitude B. A dot B was negative 24, that's the numerator. Magnitude of A was root 26, and magnitude B was 33. So when you do this on the calculator, I think it's easier to input it as negative 24 on the numerator, then divide by one complete square root, put 26 times 33, work out this number first to make inputting it into the calculator easier rather than having some problems. 26 times 33 is 858. So I would recommend working out what this number is first, carefully. That's your cos theta. Then finishing off, theta is the inverse cos of whatever that answer was. Theta equals 145.0 degrees.